So good day each and every single one of you people. Um, on behalf of my subordinates and professors, this is from Stingers University, and we welcome you all to our conference meeting about computer literacy. First and foremost, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mr. Cloney of Panilag. We also have Mr. Kenryle Rizada, Mr. Dave Selma, and lastly Mr. RJ Opledina. Now we shall proceed to our introductory about computer literacy. Now, what is computer literacy? Literacy is an understanding of the concepts, terminology, and operations that relate to the general use of computer. It is the essential knowledge needed to function independently with a computer. This functionality includes being able to solve and avoid problems, adapt to new situations, keep information organized, and communicate effectively with other computer literate people. The knowledge and ability to use computers and related technology effectively and efficiently, with a range of skills covering levels from elementary use to programming and advanced problem solving. Computer literacy can also refer to the comfort level someone has with using computer programs and other applications that are associated with computers. Furthermore, another variable component of computer literacy is knowing how computers work and operate. Having basic computer skills is a significant asset in the developed countries. Computer literacy, being able to use computers and internet, can be understood of being different from informatics literacy, or understanding computer science principles and programming concepts. Digital literacy is an associated concept. In other words, somewhat represents our union of computer literacy with information and literacy.
Importance of computer literacy. Computer literacy is a knowledge and understanding computer concepts, limitation and ability to use computer and technology efficiently. Computer literacy can also refer to the comfort level someone has with using computer programs and other applications that are associated with computers. The precise definition of computer literacy can vary from group to group. Generally literate in the realm of books connotes one who can read any arbitrary book in their native language, looking up new words as they are exposed to them. Likewise, an inexperienced computer professional may consider the ability to self-tech to be central to computer literacy. In common discourse, however, computer literacy often connotes little more than the ability to use several very specific Internet Explorer and Microsoft Outlook for a certain very well-defined simple task, largely by rote. Being literate and functional are generally taken to mean the same thing. The pervasiveness of computer continues to grow at an outstanding rate. Computers always change. They become smaller, faster, and more powerful. These changes have motivated the modern society to become comfortable with basic computer-related skills. The level of computer literacy one must achieve to gain an advantage over others depends both on the society one is in and one's place in the social hierarchy. Prior to the development of the first computer in the 1950s, The word computer referred to a person who could count, calculate, compute. The fear of some educators today is that computer training in schools will serve only to train data entry clerks of the next generation, low-level workers of the so-called knowledge industries. On the other hand, some people that enhance computer literacy will enable a new generation of cultural producers to make meanings of circulate those in the public sphere. The wildfire of cultural production associated with sites such as YouTube seems to support this notion. Different countries have different needs for computer literate people due to their society standards and level of technology. The world's digital divide is now an uneven one, with knowledge nodes such as India disrupting old North or South dichotomies of knowledge and power. Computer literacy is considered to be a very important skill to possess while in the first world. Employers want their workers to have basic computer skills because their company becomes ever more dependent on computers. Many companies try to use computers to help run their company faster and cheaper. Many jobs require the use of computers in some form. For example, office work is mostly based around a computer. Having basic computer literacy skills can help children move and onto more advanced skills such as programming. Communication today is mostly digital. Children need to understand how to communicate with others safely, appropriately, and effective through various communication tools. With computer literacy developed through K stage 1 and 2, children will be able to move on to more advanced and technical computer skills in the future.
Good day, everyone. I am Professor Kenryle Rizada from Stinger University. I'm gonna discuss today the students' computer literacy and academic performances. So, the studies determine the level of computer literacy and its influences on the academic performance of junior high school students. Especially its probe to the students' attitude towards computer and sought answer to the following. The extent of students' computer literacy terms of word processing, spreadsheet presentation, and general computing. Their academic performance based on the mean percentage scores during the first and second quarter of the school year 2019 and 2020 issues the problems encountered by them relatively to the extent of their computer literacy. So the solution that may be suggested by themselves to address the constraints they encountered to the relative extent of their computer literacy. Also, by employing descriptive correlational analysis and the study examined the significant differences in the extent of students. Computer literacy in said whereas when paired according to their attitude towards computer and academic performances and the extent studies of their general computer literacy. In terms of identified areas, generally the findings of the study revealed that the students needed to enhance extent of their computer literacy in the areas of the word processing, spreadsheet presentation, and general computing. The result also signified that the greater the extent of their computer literacy in said areas, the higher the academic performance is. This implied that the classroom intervention activities is imperative. To enhance the extent of the students' computer literacy, thus the teachers should support them by implementing an intervention program that improves students' level of literacy in the specific areas mentioned. And so let's move on. What is the role of computer literacy in your academic success? So in addition, students learn skills such as sending emails, conducting internet research, creating word processing, documents, and creating presentations. These basic computer skills help students achieve the success in college when they utilize their knowledge and processing and presenting information. Let's talk about the importance of computer skills in college. So computers and computer devices have grown to hold key role in schools, home, and workplace. Many students acquire basic skills in high school so that they know how to operate a computer. In addition, students learn such as sending emails, conducting internet research, creating word processing, document, and creating a presentation. So these basic skills help students to achieve their success in a college life when they are utilized for processing and presenting information. So let's move on to word processing. So we may know that these days Microsoft Word is playing major roles in terms in researching and presenting documents. Word processing is a basic skills that involves typing or formatting documents. Many courses in college require you to present courses information in word process report format. It is only important to gather and process information, but it is also important to present information in a readable and attractive layout. Many instructors give students guidelines for essay or reports, specifying margins, setup, and line spacing. Knowing how to manipulate word processing software will save you time and frustration when preparing college essay or reports. So the next is email. If you attend online classes, you need basic emails so you can submit assignments, activities, or quizzes. So many college instructors from traditional schools also prefer that work is submitted through email. Fundamental skills such as how to access an email system inputting your username and password, receiving, reading, composing and sending email messages are important for college success. So, the next thing is internet research. Internet research is an essential skills of college students. Many courses require you to beyond the textbook to gather in-depth research about the topic. Knowing how to use the internet to navigate the web is a valuable skill because you must understand to launch a browser before conducting researches. Understanding how to specific website, scroll through a web page, click on a link and use search engines will help you locate quickly and easily. So, computer ethics. Colleges do not look favorably on students who claim the work of others as their own. Not only it is important to know the use of a computer to conduct internet research, but it is also a vital understand computer ethics. Honoring copyright was avoiding plagiarism, citing sources, and following internet etiquette will help your college coursework. So that's all. Thank you. Once again, I am Professor Kenryle Rizada from Stinger University. Thank you and God bless.
Here are computer skills for every teacher to master. Nowadays, teachers have to make us of desktop PC, laptop PC, and even mobile devices, tablets like we're carrying out their core duties. Also, this professional must be knowledgeable of computer-related technologies. This, of course, includes the World Wide Web, email, desktops, conference, video conference, not to name, but new among other skills for issue. As a skilled educator, you will have to aim for uncommon excellence proficiency in this computer oriented era. Well, here are some top 8 computer skills for every teacher to master that can be regarded as being mandatory. 1. Word processing skills. Word processors are certainly some of the most accessed applications all modern computers now features. As teachers, you will have to be skillful in utilizing the best word processor which are currently available in the market. This will let you undertake the ultimate complete all your written communications with both your colleges and students and make time efficient manners. You will have to learn just how to check spelling, create tablets, and insert hyperlinks into your Word documents. All in all, you need to be in an excellent position of creating lengthy and well-formatted documents. Number 2. Spreadsheet skills. An excellent mastery of spreadsheets application is also among the top ones in 21st century skills list for educators. Just as an invaluable software will let you conduct some of the most specialty aspects of your teaching duties in a convenient, highly methodological way. Some of the most notable of these duties completing grades for your students is masterful charting and critical data you might wish to pass to them. And the three is database management skills. As teachers, you will have to learn just how you can use databases. This includes being able to create databases, tables, storing and reading data from those tablets. We're also knowing just know how you can create the right queries for the information found in your insuitable databases. And the number 4 is electronic presentation skills. Electronic presentations applications are in sense part of the parcel of educators' various teaching duties. As such, you will have to find a way master the art of creating electronic presentations for your classes. While more the point, you have how you can showcase them your students and even colleges and superiors. And the number 5 is internet navigation skills. As you might probably be aware, the World Wide Web is a great response story all matters of information. which this definitely make your life as a teacher much more easier. Generally speaking, you will have to find a good way of even available to efficiently navigate in the internet for exact data or teaching ratio you are stand in need of. You will also have to be well conversant with the basics of advanced search, including the utilization of Boolean operators with your search engines. And the number 6 is email management skills. Email is now the most preferred means of writing communication for most of us in both our professional and personal lives. As as educators, you will have to be highly skilled in sending your received email message in the various applications you need to utilize. You are also required to be consented with the variety of features and functionality that these computer applications boast of. These include the mass mailing, link insertions, and even the utilizations of email attachments in your communication with both your colleagues and students. And the number 7 is networking skills. This is very important. Teachers who wish to remain in their given fields must as a fail necessary time for four gaps of the basics computer networking. If applicable, they should be also their level best to totally understand just how institution computer network function and exactly how it can be benefit to them in their professional duties. And the last one is touching type. Finally, touching type is a yet another essential computer skill, which all 21 centuries educator must take time to master. These particular skills let you significantly improve typing speed as well as accuracy. This is brought you about by simply replying on your motor reflexes opposed the sight of while typing. By mastering touch typing, you will find it infinitely in rough, highly definited, accurate text in quick manners that you previously did. You will also learn how to integrate the right typing best practice to prevent injuries and fatigue. This includes using the ideal typing postures and the right finger placement on your keyboard. That's all my that's all my topic for today. Thank you.